أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How Al-Quran made me become Muslim. For me, Allah is only my creator, and I believe Allah is my sustainer. When somebody they are asking, who are you and what is your name? My answer, I am a Muslim, because my father Ibrahim was a Muslim. Allah says, Surah number 3, Al Imran, Ayah number 67. ما كان إبراهيم يهوديا ولا نصرانيا ولكن كان حنيفا مسلما وما كان من المشركين. Ibrahim was neither a Jew nor a Christian, but he was ever inclined to Allah and obedient to Him. Hanifa Muslima, and he was not of those who associate any other with Allah. Surah number 2, Al-Baqarah, Ayah number 131. Allah says, إِذْ قَالَ لَهُ رَبُّهُ أَسْلِمْ قَالَ أَسْلَمْتُ لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. When his Creator said to him, submit, إِذْ قَالَ لَهُ رَبُّهُ أَسْلِمْ, he said, قَالَ أَسْلَمْتُ لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ, I submitted to the Creator of the worlds. This is my father Ibrahim. When I read the Quran, then I found my name in the Quran. Surah 22, Al-Hajj, Ayah number 78. Allah says, وَجَاهِدُوا فِي اللَّهِ حَقَّ جِهَادِ هُوَ اجْتَبَاكُمْ وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ مِلَّةَ أَبِيكُمْ إِبْرَاهِيمَ هُوَ سَمَّاكُمُ الْمُسْلِمِينَ مِنْ قَبْلُ وَفِي هَذَا لِيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْكُمْ وَتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ فَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِاللَّهِ هُوَ مَوْلَاكُمْ فَنِعْمَ الْمَوْلَى وَنِعْمَ النَّصِيرُ. And strive in his cause, and you ought to strive. He has chosen you and has imposed no difficulties on you in the judgment. It is the deen of your father Ibrahim, Millat Abikum Ibrahim, Huwa Sammakumul Muslimin. It is he who has named you Muslimin from before, and this, that the messenger be a witness over you and you be witnesses over mankind. So establish regular salah, prayer, and give regular charity, zakah, and hold fast to Allah. He is your protector, so He is the best of protector and the best of helper. So I never confuse with any name. Those name people they are making. The Quran give me many references about Muslim. Allah says, Surah number 3, Al Imran, Ayah number 102. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. O you who believe, fear Allah as He should be feared dutifully, and die not being otherwise except as Muslims. I am sure and I think that the Quran made me Muslim. So with this name I am alive still now. And when I am going to die, that time also my name is Muslim. When I saw this Muslim name in the Quran, that time I adopted for me this name, and my thinking attested with this Quran. According to the Quran, Allah will never accept any fabricated name other than Muslim. So Allah says, Surah number 3, Al Imran, ayah number 85, وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِي غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. And whoso seeks a deen other than Islam, it shall not be accepted from him, and in the life to come hereafter he shall be among the losers. This is the quality of non-Muslim and quality of Muslim. Muslim all time holding this Quran, and non-Muslim, they have too much name. This name no coming from Allah, but Muslim name given by Allah. So this is the choiceful name. We are a Muslim. This name, I am going to die. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.